Every morning, before the heat sets in, the harvest begins on one of the region's largest watermelon farms.
Right there, easy now, perfect. All right, pulling back. Welcome to our modern watermelon facility, where freshness, hygiene, and precision drive every step.
Make sure the pressure stays consistent on this side.
All right, I'll keep an eye on the gauge.
Precision machinery ensures that every inch of the fruit is meticulously cleaned before packaging.
Only the best watermelons pass this stage because uniform ripeness is essential for every product we make. After inspection, the fruit is separated for juice, cubes, and premium dessert products with minimal waste.
The flow rate on drum 3 seems slightly high.
Yes, but the optical sort data compensates. We are within tolerance.
The refractometer reading is stable at 10.5 bricks.
Okay, I'll log that and check the pH on the next sample.
Pressure levels are stabilizing right on target.
Noted. The yield looks good at this rate.
Cold pressing helps us preserve clean flavor, vibrant color, and a fresher natural profile.
The flow rate seems off on this batch.
Yeah, I'm adjusting the intake valve now. Should stabilize.
We're running at full capacity on the juice line.
Looks good. Keep an eye on the capping mechanism down there.
Each bottle is automatically filled, capped, and checked for speed, safety, and consistency. Uniform cutting is critical because texture and presentation matter just as much as flavor.
The temperature in zone 3 is dropping faster than expected.
Noted. I'll adjust the flow rate.
This line transforms fresh fruit into ready-to-eat desserts without losing the bright character of the original watermelon. From raw fruit to finished packs, traceability and hygiene are monitored at every step.
Keep the line moving. We need this shipment out by noon.
Copy that. Heading back for another load.
Efficiency matters, but our biggest goal is delivering safe, consistent products consumers can trust.
Is this the last pallet for the morning run?
Yes, wrap it up quickly.
From farm to finished product, this is how modern food engineering turns freshness into scale.